And today, as you can see, I'm doing a get to know me video. I want to say, first of all, welcome to my channel, these new subscribers and new viewers. And today I want to do a video where you guys kind of get to know me, where you get to like see my makeovers and improvements over the past year, because in 2 months it's my 1 year anniversary of being the Howl DIY. And I show you some extra slimes. So first of all, I want to tell you, my name is Howl DIY, and I do DIY and slime videos for you guys. I do how to make DIY slime, I do testing out slimes, I do a bunch of stuff. I do like DIY back to school stuff, and yeah. So I've been telling you, to be honest, I have not been posting 2 times a week. It's been really hard for me this year. So I think I might do once a week or once every other week, and it will either be a slime video or a DIY video. This is counting as my DIY video and a get to know me video, because I'm going to show you guys my YouTube makeover and some DIY stuff. So it kind of is counting as both. And yeah, but I'm pretty sure that the next week or the week after, I will be posting a slime video for crunchy slimes and how to make microfloam slime, buffalo snow slime, and also how to make fishbowl slime. So it's going to be a really great video. So I hope you guys check it out after. So for this DIY, I'm going to show you guys how to make a DIY background. I think it's really fun and great to use for YouTube videos. So first what you're going to do is you're going to print out a background. I printed out a geometrical shape, and try to do it for 4 papers. And then you're simply just going to grab your Scotch tape and tape it up to your floor. So now, guys, I'm going to show you some of my slimes that I will not be putting on my YouTube channel. This is just a fun extra if you want. And yeah. So for this first slime, I have for you guys a Smurf slime, and this slime is scented vanilla. It's a really fluffy blue slime, and I think it's really nice. I really like this slime so much, and yeah, it's also a really good slime to use for fish bowls because it is also very, very sticky. The second slime I have for you is called Midnight Rain. It is a thick butter slime, and I think it's really nice to play with. Me and my friend are making a slime shop called ColourPop Slime Shop Co., and this will be one of the slimes in the slime shop, so I recommend that you buy it once it's out, and I will tell you guys when it's out. This slime is called Orange Cream Soda, and this is a clear gel-based slime. This slime is really nice. It does a lot of bubble pops, and I just love it. This will also be sold in our Etsy shop once it comes out. 3, 2, 1, start. Thank you guys for watching for this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Make sure to comment down below what you want. And yeah, thank you guys so much, and I hope you guys buy from our Etsy shop, ColourPop Slime Shop Co., when it comes out in probably the end of this month. And I'm super, super excited for it to come out. And I really hope you guys check it out once it comes out. And I will make a video telling when it comes out. Thank you. Tell me more about you guys. Tell me something in the comments. Tell me what you like to eat. I don't care. Just get to know us. Okay? Thank you so much, Howlers, and I'll see you on the next one.